Hi. Welcome back to TunesKit. Have you had a problem like me? After upgrading to iOS 16, when I use the Instagram, it suddenly flashes back on iPhone. If you are also facing the issue that the Instagram crashes after update to iOS 16, then this video is for you. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, press and release the volume up and volume down button. Then press the side button till the Apple logo appears. Release the button. Then you can try to open the Instagram again. Method 2. Check for update. First, you can check if your Instagram is the latest version, because the old versions sometimes appear some issues. Just go to App Store and search Instagram. If there are a new version, click Update to proceed. Then you can try to open the Instagram again. Method 3. Reinstall Instagram. You can long press the Instagram and click Remove App, but it will lose the data. Here I'll show you a way no data loss. Just go to Settings, General, and find iPhone Storage. Type Instagram in the search bar. Here you can see it will free up the storage but keep the data, so just click Offload App. Then reinstall app. After that, you can open the Instagram to check if the issues still appear. Method 4. Reset all settings. Reset settings is another way may fix your Instagram issue without a computer. So go to Settings, General, scroll down and find Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Tap Reset, choose Reset all settings and confirm. When it done, open the Instagram again. Method 5. Fix iPhone with TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If the above method fails to fix, then try TunesKit iOS System Recovery. It can fix various iOS issues. Connect iPhone to computer. Launch TunesKit iOS System Recovery, then choose iOS System Repair. Here you can check the issues that TunesKit can fix, and click Start. Choose the standard mode. Standard mode won't cause any data loss, and ensure the device has enough power. Next, put your device in recovery mode by following the on-screen instructions. If you can't do that, just go back to here. Click it. Here you can enter or exit recovery mode in one click. When your iPhone in the recovery mode, go back to iOS System Repair step before. Ensure the given information is corresponding to your device, then download the firmware package. When the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. The TunesKit iOS System Recovery will start to fix your iPhone. Just make sure your device is connected to the computer, and wait several minutes, your device will be fixed. Then try the Instagram again. That's it. By the way, we provide a 15% discount exclusive to our YouTube fans. Just go for a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.